So today we're doing Hypotenuse-Leg Theorem. It's very similar to triangle congruence. The difference is now you have right triangles, and we're talking about if the hypotenuse and one of the legs is congruent, then the two triangles are also congruent. I like to start out by highlighting the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is the side across from the 90-degree angle. This is the 90-degree angle, is the side across from it. And they also gave us, on first example right here, we have the long leg. So both hypotenuse and the long legs are congruent. So angle D is congruent to angle V. Angle T is congruent to angle F. Angle E is congruent to angle U. That's what it says right there. So if these two are congruent, then Y equals 48. If these two legs are congruent, then Z equals 44. Second one, we have the same main idea. Again, we're going to highlight the hypotenuse. Right there, they're congruent, or they should be congruent, they will be congruent, and the two short legs. So if I set them equal to each other, then I can find the value for V. So we're going to solve for V, take away V from both sides, then divide both sides by 2. I get V equals 18. Now we're going to do the same thing to find W by setting up those two legs equal to each other. Add 18 to both sides. Take away W. So W equals 18. It was just a coincidence that the values were the same. They not always will end up that way. Last one. So we're going to highlight the hypotenuse. And in this case, they also gave us the short leg. If we set them equal to each other, then we can make those two triangles congruent. I'm going to find S first. Take away 3S from both sides. Divide by 3. So S equals 11. Now we're going to go ahead and find T. So I'm going to take away 5T from both sides. Divide both sides by 2. So T equals 4. When you're solving equations, this is not the only way to do it. I just did it real quick because everybody taking geometry should pass Algebra 1 and you know how to solve for X or how to solve for a variable already. So now you're doing K11.